All right, we got rid of that big bulky stand. Now when I go camping, throw it on the Jenny. It's gonna be a lot more manageable. What's up, YouTube fam? Here we are. Got the bike cleaned up after the first ride. Yeah, you know what time it is. Here we go. Let's go. Stark VARG EX graphics kit. I went a little bit different this time. I don't know. I was really excited when I ordered it. You tell me. Comment. Let me know. Back and see all these creases. I'm gonna hit them with a heat gun. I was a little worried about it, but I'm liking it. I'm digging it. It's looking clean. We got the EX here and the graphics kit. Since it's a newer bike, they don't have the template for that. So it's got the MX front. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I did go ahead and cover the light with tape. I didn't want that to stick necessarily to the light when I go lay it on, cut it, and then peel the center out. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, it's coming right along. Still working the bubbles out, but see how this turns out. Pretty decent. Actually pretty impressed. A little bit of boogers down here. Wish that would have cleared up a little bit better, but not bad. And I'll keep working these out of it. Heat gun this, and coming around. There it is, guys. Super happy with how it turned out. I initially got them. I thought, man, I don't know if I want to do the flat, if it was going to look all right. I was really concerned about it. I looked at it and I thought, man, this thing is not going to be, they come so nice looking from the factory. But first ride, I've already got scratches on it. I'm going to ride it tomorrow. It's going to get scratched more. I put these on. I absolutely love it. I think it looks great. Well, here we are. It didn't take long. Super cool idea. Practicality, zero. Unless you got a whole race team to lift it up and put it on a stand for you every time. It's just not feasible. So I'm gonna start making this happen. Oh, nailed it. There we are. There's the guts. We're gonna make it better. So I got it where I want it, marked my holes, cut through this section. I'm gonna hold the cords in here. I'm gonna put a hole here for the outlet part of it, and I can push it back into that hole and then just grab it right there. I'll get something to kind of clean that hole up, but this end, I'm gonna bring the charger through here and then loop it back into here. So this should stop it right at that hole and then feed it back in when I'm not using it. And so it'll just all store in here. And then once I've got it in there, I'm gonna mark and open these here. And I don't really want holes underneath it, just in case I set it and it's moist or something. So I'm gonna put some holes in this side as well as this side. And that way when this kicks on, it draws in both ways. All right, little progression here. I laid a pattern out similar to the Stark stand. Both sides, drilled a bunch of holes, and I'm just using this big clear bit to clear out the plastic so it looks cleaner. Pretty excited with how it's turning out. Going pretty smooth, I think. Gonna be a heck of a lot better than that big honking thing. All right, we're getting close here. I've got it in. Let's see here, we'll just do a little arts and crafts.
My fingers hurt.
Oh, well, now your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping duty. Anybody else's fingers hurt?
I'm gonna leave some of the structure of the Milwaukee box, see how that goes. That's not gonna, I might just try to take that corner out though, just to get some flow. That one too, that one there, and then this one here. All right, I've got it filed down, cut and filed down. I got to route those cords correctly, but there it is. Comes right up through it. Just pull this one here, plug it in, and then this side. There we go. There should be less restrictive than the stand. Drawing air in here, cooling it, coming right out. The water, the bottom's pretty tight. I did get a little deep in there, but if I did it again, I wouldn't cut that bridge as far so that it didn't compromise the bottom. But yeah, pretty happy with it. A lot better. And if you're wondering about breaking it and all that, I could take everything and bolt it right back into that stand and it would be just as factory. So I did not compromise or break anything. It can go completely right back to exactly how it was from the factory. And I did think about, you know, if you cut 2 inches off those legs or you cut 1.5 inches and then fold 1 inch, you know, it'd be 2.5 inches shorter. But the thing's so heavy. And I go camping all the time. I don't want to be carrying that giant heavy stand to charge on my generator. So this is going to be a lot better option for me. So